What's up, YouTube friends? This video is going to be a little bit of a sad video, but also a happy video. This spring, my beloved Earth Angel, Jessie James, passed away. She passed away on March 26th. It happened super quick. She got sick on a Friday, and by Monday we had to put her down. She ended up having a tumor on her pancreas that burst, and then by the time we took her to the vet, there was nothing they could do. Now, one of the biggest pains in the buns was always her dog hair everywhere, but now every time I find a little patch, I cherish it. So I made Pet Fur Keepsakes out of UV resin, and I'm going to show you how I did it today. So you're going to need some UV resin, a UV lamp. I just found the cheapest nail one I could find off of Amazon. And you're also going to need some sort of mold. I'm going to be using my cabochon mold here, and I'll be using the heart ones today. You're going to need some of your fur baby's fur. Our vet actually gave us a bunch of this when we had her cremated. And then I went ahead and just made up some of these little cards on Cricut Design Space. And it says, "What was a nuisance while you were here, I now cherish and hold dear." And these cards measure 2.5 by 5.5 inches. It's just a basic rectangle with a little paw print cutout. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some masking tape, and I'm just going to clean out my molds. The grandkids were here this weekend, and there is glitter everywhere. Now I'm just going to put enough UV resin to fill about 1/3 of my cavity. Just like that. And now we're just going to cure it, and I'm going to just do the 99. Mine does 30, 60, and 99 seconds. I always just do 99. So now that that first layer is cured, we're just going to grab our fur baby's hair. So Jessie was white and black, mostly white. So I'm just going to put a little bit. And when I say a little bit, you actually do want quite a bit of hair on here. Especially with the white hair, it does disappear in the resin pretty quickly. So if you do have a light colored hair dog, you want to put extra hair. Alright guys, so it should look like that. Now I did go ahead and press it down to make sure it's nice and flat, and especially where the white is, it is a pretty thick layer as far as the coverage of the bottom. And now we're just going to slowly fill up the rest of our mold. And you just want to do it really slowly to minimize any sort of air bubbles. So that looks good to me. And now I'm just going to stick this under the UV lamp for another 99 seconds. And once that light cycle is done, I'm just going to flip these out. And then I'm just going to cure them for another 99 seconds just to be safe. Alright guys, so this is what they look like. So now we just need to get rid of all those extra little hairs. And to do that, I just use a sanding block. So I just go around and smooth any of the edges. Then finally, I'm just going to take a piece of Scotch tape, stick it on the back, and stick it right on my little card. And now it's ready to give to a loved one. Now here's the one that I made Mother. She keeps it in her china cabinet. And I just put it in a little plastic baggie just to keep it safe. I hope none of you have to lose one of your fur babies, but if you do, this is a great way to keep their memory alive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.